How to change pinned conversation icon on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Snapchat application on your device and then tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Then tap on the gear icon, then scroll down and you'll be able to see different options over here. Now you just have to tap on the customize emojis option over here. Tap on that. Then here you can customize your emoji according to different options here, such as number one BFF, super BFF, besties, and so on. So if I want to change the icon over here, what I can do is tap on the option, or you can just go for any of the option, and here you can change the icon over here. So for example, if I want to change this heart icon into something else, such as this one, tap on it, then go back, and you're done. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.